Hi guys, we received this dimmable ceiling lamp for reviewing purposes. I think it's really nice. Let me take it out of this bag that it comes. It comes very well protected with lots of foam, which I think it's something really nice. And here it is, okay? Comes with the instruction manual, the controller, and all the parts that you need to install it, okay? Let's see how the crystals look. Okay, here it is. The crystal looks really nice. And you just install the base, and that's almost everything that you need to install it. So I think it's really nice. And here we've got the LEDs in the middle. So let's go ahead and start installing it. Okay, yes, as you can see, it's already installed. Let's go ahead and turn it on with the remote controller. And there it is, okay? We can adjust the temperature of the proper LEDs, as you can see, while long pressing this button, and change the brightness, okay? Make it dimmer or bright, okay? You can also quickly change with these two buttons, as you can see. Change the intensity, also the brightness, with this also button quickly, and place it on night mode, okay, which I think it's really nice. And as you've seen, it was really easy to install it, just some basic wiring and some screws, and it's really nice. The crystals look really beautiful and I like it a lot. And because of the easy installation and all it took was some basic wiring and well screws, I will really recommend it. See you guys.